This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Michael Vincent. Desirable community does not even begin to describe Silverlakes at Gateway, an established family-friendly neighborhood. 4-bed 2-bath 2-car garage pool home with spacious floor plan over 2,100 square feet under air. Generous covered and screened lanai to enjoy some welcome shade after floating around soaking up our gorgeous Florida sunshine. Extensive updates and upgrades on many big-ticket items like a new roof 2019, air conditioning 2019 and pool pump 2019 to promote worry-free maintenance. Newer front-loading clothes washer and dryer 2018. Reverse osmosis 2017 provides kitchen with exceptional cooking and drinking water. Quiet and serene location includes a lush backdrop for a more private/tropical feel. Tasteful additions of crown molding in almost every room and chair rail in the main living area. Gated community offers peace of mind to both full-time and part-time residents. Clubhouse contains both heated pool and gym. Schools within a short walk or bike ride, no need to wait in the dreaded pickup line. Extremely convenient and close to RSW Airport, spring training and I-75 making the commute very easy. Invest in yourself and embrace the future here at Silverlakes. For more information, review the details below or contact Michael Vincent at 239-464-2844.